In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add call to actions to your Loom videos. A clear call to action or state guides your viewer to take the next step, booking a demo, visiting a page, or downloading a resource right from your video. Adding one in Loom is quick, and a few thoughtful choices will make it effective without distracting from your content. Start by heading to your Loom homepage. Once you're signed in, open your library. This is where all your recordings live, so it's the easiest place to choose the video that needs a CTA. Click into the video you want to enhance. This takes you to its player page where you'll find all the options specific to that recording. Next, open the editing tools by selecting Edit. This brings up the panel where you can customize interactive elements. Look for the option to add a link and select Add Link. This is the CTA feature we'll use to place a clickable button on your video, allowing viewers to move seamlessly from watching to taking action. Type the destination link carefully. Use the full URL, including the HTTPS prefix, so it works reliably across browsers. Double-check spelling and choose the most direct page that matches your message to reduce drop-off. The clearer the connection between your video content and the page you send people to, the higher the likelihood they'll follow through. Now, give your CTA a short action-focused title. Think in verbs and benefits. Phrases like book a call, try it free, or view pricing tend to perform well. Keep it concise so it fits cleanly on the button and remains easy to read at a glance. Avoid jargon and keep the promise specific so viewers instantly understand what they'll get. Choose a position on the video. Corners often work best because they're visible without blocking important content or subtitles. If your video has on-screen text or slides, position the CTA away from those areas so it doesn't compete for attention. The goal is noticeable but not distracting, so your message stays front and center while the option to act is always available. Pick a color that contrasts with your video background and aligns with your brand. High contrast improves readability and accessibility, especially on mobile. If your brand palette is light, consider a darker button, and vice versa. Consistency helps viewers recognize your content quickly and builds trust over time. You'll also see an option to only show the CTA at the end of the video. Turn this on if the primary goal is a single, decisive action after the content lands.